Hi, so wireframe is always a little bit of a pain. It's really important to know how to do it, and each version of Maya kind of has their different way of doing it. So let's take a look here. We're just actually going to use a play blast, but we're going to change the settings and make it look all nice. So you've got your object here. I'm going to click on this box with the wireframe around it. It's called wireframe on shaded. That just means if I click off of it, I can now see the wireframe as well as the shaded. And then I'm going to go over here to multi-sample anti-aliasing. That is editing the quality of your line. You know, we don't want it to look like a stair step. It'll look like a smooth curve where need be. All right, so I've got that. Now I'm going to go into my channel box, and down at the bottom here we can go to layers, create layer from selected. Make sure your object is selected first. Then this little slash line next to layer 1, we'll click that and we're going to make it white. And what that's going to do is change our wireframe to be white. Now, you want to contrast generally wireframe with a black background. So if we hold Alt and then click B, you're changing the background color. Now you can change this at any point if you wanted to model. A lot of people like this blue gradient. I tend to do the darker gray just to keep it all kind of in the same color system. But anyway, we're going to change it to black. Okay, and then we're going to turn up our render settings. So I'm going to just go into my software for this. The only thing it's going to pull from your render settings is your image size, but we want 1920 by 1080. We can close that. Then you'll just want to set up your time slider to be however many frames you want to render. So however long your turnaround is, for the sake of this video, I'll just put this to like 7 so that we can see. Then we're just going to actually do a play blast. So I'm going to hit the option box next to play blast. I'm going to make sure show ornaments is checked off so we won't see the grid, we won't see anything else that you have. I'm doing a video, H.264. It's going to take the display size, so we're getting that high quality render from the render settings. So make sure it's from render settings. Scale should be turned up all the way to 1. Generally when we do a play blast, they do like 0.5 or whatever. And then you're going to save to file. I'll just call this play blast. And then hit play blast. Mine's not going to move, but now you have a nice video of your wireframe. All right.